Coliseum. Today it's been a pretty good day so far. I got Jerks and Profar to sign my 8x10, which you guys will be seeing right now. Muchas gracias. Sweet. Also got Mike Fires to sign a baseball for me. Got him to sign the sweet spot. He gave me the NH no-hitter inscription with the date. Appreciate it, brother. Thank you very much. Also, I was able to pick up my Chris Davis bat from the A's season ticket hub because they had a bat saved for me. When my dad got sick, I didn't think I was going to be able to make it to the game, so I emailed them. Well, actually, I called them ahead of time and I asked them if they could save a bat for me, and they did. So this bat, I'm going to give it to my dad. Hey, this is new over here. This is the first time I see this out here at the Oakland Coliseum. Let's see. Strike him out! Oh. I thought he was pitching him. I was like, strike him out! What the new stadium's gonna look like. This is our new stadium right here, guys. Let's see. Oh! Crushed it. He crushed it! He crushed it! I decided to come visit the Treehouse because I got to meet a friend for a special reason, which you guys will be finding out in just a few seconds. But when I came up here, I saw this right here, and it just put a big smile on my face. Right down, home plate. Let's go, Oakland. Out here with my homie Joe Spaz. Joe Spaz has something special for a giveaway for you guys. Remember I mentioned that last night on last night's video that I was going to do a giveaway? What do you have for us?
Well, I saw the Chapman bobblehead, and what goes better but an Olson bobblehead with it. Anything for you, bro?
Thanks, man. Brought to you by Joe Spaz. We're going to be giving this bobblehead away. How should we do this? What kind of contest can we do on this?
Not a reverse drawing.
Not a reverse drawing.
Anything else besides with that.
What do you mean by what do you mean by a reverse drawing?
Whatever it was you did last time.
You didn't like that. So
you didn't like it.
First name that gets pulled out. That's what you're saying?
How about lucky number what is it?
He's number 28.
There you go.
Lucky number 28.
Something like that.
So the 28th name that I pull out?
Yeah. You could even put the name back in. So everybody keep having more chances.
All right. Hey, you're the one who's giving out the contest.
That way you don't have to eliminate anybody. It's just the 28th name you call.
There we go. 28th name, guys. I don't know when this contest is going to be happening, but that's going to be the drill on for this. If you guys want to join this contest, just go ahead and leave your name down below, and we'll figure out when we do the contest. Once I get a bunch of people that submitted their entry, then we'll do the contest, and I'll let you guys know when it is. But thanks to Joe Spaz right here for hooking it up. You guys are going to get this bobblehead soon.
Let's go, Oakland!
Hey! Thanks, man. Christina, I'm calling this right now. It's fireworks night. We're going extra innings tonight. Extra innings, fireworks night. I'm calling it right now. This game's going extra innings. Oh, is he going yard? Out of here! Yeah! Attaboy! Bat flipping season, baby! And it goes yard. 1-0, boys. It's so hot out here. I'm literally counting down the seconds to when this sun leaves because it's so bright in my eye and face, and summer days, summer nights at the Oakland Coliseum, guys. Summer nights. What a catch! What a catch! That was great! That was awesome! Home run, boys! Woo! Simeon goes yard. 2-0 Oakland. That was crazy. What a catch! That was a great catch. That was a great catch, man. Getting that delicious boba tea. Let's see, Christina, what'd you order? What'd you order, Christina?
Mango and a honey.
She couldn't decide, so she got a little bit of both. Hey, one of these, 2 of these are for me. 2 of these are for me. 1 of them is for Lily. You got 2 too, all right?
That's how good it is.
You got 2 too. Oh, he hits a home run and you hit him, huh? Oh, come on, Canna, charge the mound. Charge the mound. Bat flip him. Lame. That sucked. Hey, but you know what? You know what? So he went to second on that. So at least he stayed alive, and we're back where we started. Runners at third and second. When you're swiping right on Tinder, and you come upon this picture on Tinder, and his name is Chad Pinder. Ah, there you go. What the hell just happened? We just hit a 2-run shot. Chappie goes yard, 2-run shot. I was talking to Green Man and I didn't get the swing, but that makes it 4-0 Oakland. Let's go, boys. Attaboy, Chappie. What you got on my 40? Damn, he's sipping that drink. Sipping hard. Oh, look at Danny in the background dancing. Oh, Ramon goes yard, baby. That was long gone. Attaboy, Ramon. Woohoo! 5-0 Oakland. Let's go, boys. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah. The hell's going on over there, Justin? Your teeth is all... Oh. So I got up from my seat because I got a really bad cramp on my leg. And apparently something happened when I walked away. What happened?
He jinxed it.
I jinxed it.
He jinxed it.
I jinxed it, she said. So I come back, and as soon as I sit down, Texas scores their 3rd run in the 7th inning. Score is now 5-3 A's. I did say we were going to go extra innings today because it is a fireworks night. For whatever reason, there's always extra innings when it's fireworks nights. Too hot for TV, huh? Hey, don't be... Oh, that's messed up. We're waiting for Chris to dip it in. Chris is about to dip it in. That's what she said. Whoa, Chris! Show me how you really feel. Just the tip. She said just the tip. Woo, he's enjoying that one a little too much. And there we go. All they need is one more to tie this game. With one swing, they could take the lead. Oh, but it's going to be a tie game. Is it? Oh, he's out! He's hella out. Wow! Oh! Benches are clearing, baby! Benches cleared. We knew this was gonna happen. Oh, bench is clearing, baby! Let me get a picture of this. freaking hors d'oeuvre. You ain't punching nobody today, you little asshole. You little short. You ain't punching no one today. Take your ass back to your position, little punk. Hey, Green Man, someone's on your drumstick. Hey, 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 look at him. He's going down over there. One strike to go. Let's go, Liam. Got him! Yeah! Oh! A's win, baby! Feels good to be back on the winning side at the Oakland Coliseum. Woo-hoo! Feels nice. How'd you get down here so fast?
It's a little secret I'm not gonna spill.
Little secret on how to get down here so fast is being fast. Be fast. Know your shortcuts in the stadium for the Coliseum. If you want to get down on the field before all these people back here who are trying to get down on the field, know your shortcuts and you'll beat the crowd. You'll be the last one.
They probably lined up before we did.
You'll be the last one to leave your seat, but you'll be one of the first ones to get onto the field. Just know your shortcuts. Wink, wink.
Wink, wink.
Look at her looking like a hobo on the field. You need a little cup that says spare change.
We got $1. $quarter. Thank you, kind sir.
Hey guys, I have a quick question. Who you guys would be interested in some dirt giveaway if I got some dirt and I did a giveaway on that Coliseum dirt? Who would be interested in it? Huh? Let me know in the comments down below. All this dirt can be yours. All you gotta do is leave a comment down below if you're interested in it. I'm being serious because actually I have some dirt of this at home. And I have Oakland Coliseum dirt and I have Fenway Park dirt from Boston. So anybody at home, people who don't get to come to the stadium very much, who'd be interested in some dirt, let me know. I'll do something for the next Firework game that we do. Well, I didn't jinx the game after all, Christina. The final score is 5-4 A's. I almost jinxed it, but I didn't. We didn't go extra innings. Normally on a Firework night, we do go extra innings, but tonight, no extra innings. And I finally got to see benches clearing on both sides for the very first time in my life in person. I always see it on TV, but I never get to see it in person. So this year, not only have I seen a no-hitter, I've also seen benches clear. So it's been a pretty good season. Yeah. All right, guys, time to watch some fireworks. I'll talk to you guys later from the Oakland Coliseum. Peace. Let's go, Oakland.